Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to win more Blitz matches in COD Warzone Mobile. Well, to do that, land wisely. Choose a strategic landing spot with good loot and minimal competitions. Quick rotations. Move swiftly between zones to stay ahead of the shrinking circle. Learn the map. Familiarize yourself with the key locations and high traffic areas. Buddy up. Play with a teammate to revive each other if needed. High ground. Control elevated positions for better visibility and cover. Intel contracts. Use intel contracts to gain information on the next circles. Recon contracts. Complete recon contracts to reveal the next safe zone. Cash managements. Prioritize buying useful items, example UAVs or armor, over unnecessary ones. Loadout optimization. Customize loadout with effective weapons and perks. Stay together. Stick with your squad to trade kills and support each other. High alert perk. Be aware of nearby enemies with the high alert perk. Use vehicles. Cars and balloons help you move quickly across the map. Gas mask awareness. Keep an eye on the gas zone and plan accordingly. Avoid big rotations. Minimize long distance movements to avoid unnecessary fights. Smart endgame play. Position yourself well in the final circles. Flashbangs and mortars. Use tactical equipment to disorient opponents. Chopper hunting. Take down enemy helicopter for an advantage. Drop sniping. Use sniper rifle to eliminate opponents dropping from the sky. Camping. In Blitz mode, camping can be effective due to the smaller zone. Learn weapon recoil. Master recoil control for accurate shots. Armor plates. Always keep your armor plates topped up. Trade kills. Coordinate with your squad to secure eliminations. And that's how to win more Blitz matches in COD Warzone Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.